Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB. Today we are going to be walking through how to access Electude. Electude is our online digital automotive learning program. It's web-based, so we don't need to download anything or anything like that. We just need to access the correct website. Now you can see above, mine says brooklynhs.electude.com. That is how my students will access this program. If you're from a different school or whichever, they need to access the correct one, so the correct one for your school. When you create your account and you create all that through Electude, they will give you your web address and they will give you all of your information, so that way you can create it as a teacher, but this is for student access. So to join our student access, make sure that you join the correct web link, and then following that, we are going to click on the student button. So when we click on our student, it will take us to our login section, and we will begin our login. Now, for our login, we are going to enter our first name, starting with a capital, followed by the first initial of our last name as a capital, whatever grade we're in. So for example, I'm just going to put that I'm in grade 12 because that's how I've set up the account for myself, and then the year that this school year will end. So this school will end in 2023, so 23 is the last two digits. Now, as we are entering in this information, we are going to enter into our password. Everyone's password is the same as default. I create this so that way it's just easier. Your password is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty straightforward for your password. As soon as you enter, it will ask you to reset your password. It'll say, normally if this is your first login, it will ask you to accept the terms of service. You'll just say yes, you'll agree to it, and then you'll enter in your new password. Excellent, so I've got in a new password. I'm going to continue. Tells me my password has changed. Perfect. Now, when you log in, you will get a page that looks something similar to this. You will click on this. So depending on what your grade is, depending on whatever it is that's been made, that will be what is there and available for you. For me and my students, you will click on your course level. So if you're in grade 12, you should see a TTJ4C. If you're in grade 11, you should see 3C. If you're in grade 10, you should see 2O. And you're just going to click on that, and whatever days are open are the days that we are going to be working on. You will not have access to any of the other days. You will see that they are all locked. So that means that you will not be able to complete them. For example, if I click on Powertrains Unit Day 5, you can see what's in here, but you can't do anything within this actual page. So this is how we access Electude. This is how we access this program, and this is what we're going to be using for a little while. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.